and my name is James. Our project is a homeowner system.
The design, it has a sensor that detects intruders, which turns on a red LED light that signals the servo motor, and the LED screen that says "Go away." When we used to build it was a Raspberry Pi, LCD display, wires, LED. The colors were red, yellow, green, and white, and a breadboard and a sensor, which was the ultrasonic sensor.
The language we used was Python, and we used while loops and if statements, and we set up time stick in GPIOs. And we tested more than 20 times. What went wrong was that we had many syntax errors. So we fixed it by erasing the old line of code and putting a new one. And the hardware had some troubles, so that's why we switched for a new one.
I think next time we could put a robot inside the house to make it as the owner and make the house bigger and more features, like a garage. So now it's time to show. And thank you for watching our Home Alone project.
So go to the.
Oh.